Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 6, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the power saving mode, which for me is right over here. Click on it, and there you go. As you can see, it automatically drops the brightness quite significantly, but apparently doesn't bring it back up. So it does drop it by more than half, which I would say it's actually a good thing, because dropping it just by like that much, it yields you additional about 3 hours of battery life. So that is a decent chunk of extra battery life just for the brightness itself. Now additionally, as you can see, I am connected to mobile and Wi-Fi, but in power saving mode, when I put the device to sleep, which is basically this, when you lock it and don't use it, the device will disconnect from Wi-Fi and the mobile to preserve battery. So that will cause me to not receive updates from applications that require internet connection. So as an example, things like Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, there won't be any notifications from those applications just because they require internet connection. Now, when I wake up the device again, so basically doing this, the phone automatically reconnects and then syncs up everything that was missing. So you'll basically get everything in bulk once you unlock the device. Now additionally, I can also give you a couple pointers. If you want to prolong your battery life even further, you can disable things that you don't use. So as an example, we can disable either Wi-Fi or mobile, depending on which one you use. If you're planning to only use mobile, then get rid of Wi-Fi. It will preserve a little bit of battery. Additionally, location, if you don't need it, turn it off. If you're not using any kind of like GPS tracking right now, you can turn it off. Some applications basically won't be able to spy on you, which I consider to be a win-win situation. Apparently I didn't turn it off. Oh, it's closed. There we go. Now it's turned off. And then on the second page we also have things like the NFC, which personally I use NFC, but I always turn it on when I actually need to pay for something, because that's basically what I use it for, to pay for things in stores. So when I'm ready to pay, I turn it on, slap it, and then turn it back off. So turning all those things off will also grant you additional battery life. And anyway, once you're done with your battery saving crusade right here, you can simply turn it off by either charging the device to full or by tapping on the toggle once again. Now this will only turn off the power saving mode, so toggles like Wi-Fi, location, and NFC will continue to be turned off unless you turn them on yourself. But anyway, this is how you would turn on and off and basically utilize power saving mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.